So then in 2018, I had a chance to attend one of the sessions by Mr. Ravi Rati. So there at Nagpur. So there he's from Nagpur only. So he especially flew down to Nagpur, and he was one of the speaker of the session. So there he explained us about the blockchain. So then after coming back here, and even our unit head then Mr. Krishna Kumar also he got to know about blockchain through some other session. So after he came back and we discussed this one sort of solution is available. So that's where they clicked us that why don't we apply this solution to our outsourcing section. He was explaining us that what is the difference in blockchain and other convention system. So we realized that this is something which will create a trusted network, trust among so many stakeholders. So we were looking for similar solution, and this was the solution. So then that time we thought, so why don't we explore? Let us explore that this type of solution is applied by the world, used by the world. Then we explored in our internet, we checked in internet, and my team and myself, we have gone through it, and then we understood that maybe we can apply this. So then I contacted back to Mr. Rati, checking that whether you know someone who can do this job for us. So then he gave us contact of Coinar, and we could effectively implement vendor managed inventory. Without blockchain system, also we could have implemented, but that time visibility of job worker ordering on supplier we wouldn't have known. We would have only told us or mailed us that I ordered, but in actually whether that order is received by supplier, we had to validate it every time by calling up supplier, or we had to blindly trust with a job worker. So now with blockchain in place, we don't have to do all that coordination. We know for sure that he has ordered. So these two things have come parallelly. Because of that, our inventory levels have come down by at least 5 to 8%. So this is tangible benefit.